Hi, this is Jasper from Bird.i. We are a satellite image and intelligence platform who have partnered with the world's leading satellite operators and integrated their imagery into a single platform. So the vision behind Bird.i is to uncover the world in real time and to empower everyone to use images from space to make informed decisions. And we do this by lowering the barriers to accessing satellite imagery. So today I'm going to take you through three very different use cases that show the power of our platform. So to do this, I'm going to just log into our satellite image portal. So I've just logged in and it's taken us to Glasgow because that's where we are based. But for first use case, I'm just going to pop some coordinates into the search function and take us to Singapore. So as you can see, we use a Google base map. We use that to make it easy for people to navigate around and find their location of interest. So for the first location, we're at a port where a lot of maintenance is done to oil rigs. So our client in this case was looking to monitor the construction process and maintenance of those rigs. So what I can do now, I can toggle this viewer here on the right, and that immediately loads up the latest imagery. And as you can see, we've got a timeline here as well with historical imagery. But in this case, I'm just going to be looking at the latest imagery and show you the resolution we have. So all the imagery in our system is at least 1.5 meter in resolution, all the way down to 30 centimeters. So in the case of a 30 centimeter resolution, that means that one pixel equals 30 centimeters on the ground. So as you can see, I've just zoomed in to that 30 centimeter view, and that gives a very detailed picture of what is going on. So for the second use case, I'm going over to New Zealand. So we've got a location here in Auckland where we've got a client who was looking to monitor the construction of these housing developments. So once I load this up, you can see that the base map, the Google base map, looks quite different to our imagery, which is much more recent. So that allows the client to really see what is going on in that area. So I'll zoom in to a specific location here to show you how we can monitor construction progress. So if we look at these houses here, for example, we can see that in March the foundations had been laid, but not much work was completed. And I'll go into April and zoom in a little bit more again. So now we see that there's a good bit of construction work that has been completed. And then by April 18th, you can see a roof appearing. And by the 12th of May, all of them have a roof. So for the third use case, I'm going to go over to Northampton in the UK. So we had yeah, very interesting use case here with a company that were yeah, shooting a film, and they needed some really crisp satellite imagery for one of their opening shots where they zoom in on the town. Again, we were able to provide that. They needed imagery for a certain time of year, so it was very easy to get that using the timeline feature. In this case, I'll also just show you the download feature we have. So once I click that button, I've now downloaded the image for use outside of the platform. Okay, so that's the Bird.i satellite image portal. Hope you enjoyed this quick overview. Don't hesitate to get in touch if there's anything we can help you with.